9:22 a.m. dear. 7/5/2022. There's hardly when I'm recording. We had a trouble on his looks. Part of it. Oh, 7/5 dear.